Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. Let's review our previous solution first. We have the problem defined in the file problem.txt. Then we have the problem translated in JSON such that a Python program solution PY can read it. Then in solution PY, the problem it's read, it's presented, and then it is solved. Today I will show you how to solve a different problem. Let's say there are 13 floors instead of 26. Okay, so there are 13 floors, and I will save this new problem as problem 002.txt. Okay, so this is a different problem. Okay, now when I'm in the analysis, my problem is now problem.002.txt. Then we have f, the number of remaining floors is 13. Okay, so I'm writing here 13, and this is a new JSON file, so I will save it as analysis 002.json. Okay, so I'm saving it, and now in the solution.py, the only thing that I have to change is analysis.002.json. I'm solving a different problem. Okay, so I will save this file also. Okay, let's speak a little bit about the expected result. Definitely we are expecting a different text here. We are expecting here the number 13. Since there are 2 times less floors, then the average height of the remaining floor should be probably 18, should be double. So let's run it and see the results. Okay, so I'm running solution.py. So what I have the problem modified with 13 floor. The variable f, it's modified appropriately, and the solution is now 18 feet. Okay, so that's what we expected. So now you learned how to solve different problems with the same program. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.